Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. In the last video, basically I am covered while loop. Today I am going to cover for loops and the basic feature that we are going to use in the for loops. Okay? Basically for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set or a string. This like the for keyword in other programming language and more likes an iterator methods as found in other object oriented programming language. With the for loop we can execute a set of statement once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. What we are going to cover in the for loops, we'll go one by one. First, in the for loops, we'll cover what is for loops and syntax. Okay. Enter. Let's go with the example fruits. Okay. Apple. Let's create a list. Apple, banana and cherry. Okay. We are using same PyCharm ID for the for loop also. If I am going to print type of fruits, what it will print? It will print list. Here we are going to run. Let's run it. Okay, class is list. Okay, now we are going to loop the fruits one by one using for loops. Okay, for x in fruits colon enter print x. Okay, let's explain what it will do. Fruits is nothing but a list here, right? Apple, banana and cherries. It will come here and what it will do, x in fruits, right? One by one apple, banana and cherry, it is going to set into x. Okay, first what it will set? Apple, then it will set banana, then it will set cherry. What it will do, first x is equal to apple, then x equal to banana and then x equal to cherry and print like this only. Okay, let's run it. Right, apple, banana and cherry. It's clear now. Now we'll go with another example. Instead of fruit, let's go with Tech Solution and use Tech Solution Python Techie Java C. Now this is list. We are going to Control C, Control V, and now same X. Instead of X, you can use another, just like a take. Use it, and this X will come to here also. Right? Now what it will do? It will go one by one. Right? The text solution basically list, text solution Python, the value of the list, text solution Python, Techie, Java, and C. Right? And it will print one by one. Right? First it will print text solution, then Python, then Techie, then Java and then C. Okay, let's run it. Okay, text solution, Python, Techie, Java and C. Right, now it's clear. The for loop doesn't require an indexing variable at two set beforehand. Okay, now we'll go with looping through a string. Even the string are iterable object, but they contain a sequence of characters. Okay, let's remove this one. second one looping through a string. Okay, for loop x in banana. Okay, colon, always have column, and print x. What it will print? See here, banana is as a string, but the string as a character of sequence, right? String here as character of sequence, right? How it will print? First it will come as B, 0, A, then N, then A, then again N, then A. Okay, let's run it. Right? B, A, N, A, N, A. Right? That is clear now? String. Now we'll go with third example, break statement. Okay, we'll use the same example. What the break statement will do? With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has loop through all items. Okay, what does mean? Fruits equal to, let's create a list first. Apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, for x in fruits. Always remember colon, enter, print x. Okay, if condition, if x equal banana. Okay, then colon, enter, then break. Okay, what it will do? Fruits is nothing but list, right? For x in fruits, that is loop. If one by one, what will happen? It will come apple, then banana and cherry, and it will set into x, right? If first the apple will come, then it will print apple here, right? And it will check, okay, x is apple, no, then it will not go inside, okay, into that. Okay, now it will check banana, then print x equal to banana here, right? Then we'll check, okay, banana equal to banana, yes, then it will come inside that, and it will break the statement. Break the statement, break the loop, and it will come out from the for loop. It will not print cherry. Okay, first x will be apple, then it will print apple, and we'll check the condition, apple equal to banana. If it's not, then it will not go inside. Then we'll check x equal to banana, and it will print banana. Okay, and then it will check the condition, banana equal to banana. If the condition is true, then it will go inside that, and it will break the for loop. Okay, then what it will print? Apple and banana. Okay, it will not print cherry. Cherry will not print because of break statement. Okay, let's run it. Okay, apple and banana it will print, cherry is not printing because it's match the condition, and it will break it, the for loop. Okay, this is clear now. Now we'll go with another example. Okay, with the same, we'll use the same apple, banana and cherry, but here is little change. For x in fruits, column, if x equal banana, colon, enter, break. Okay, and then print x. Okay, what will happen here? First it will check the same, apple equal to in x. Okay, apple is not equal to banana, then it will print x. Okay, then it will go to banana. Okay, if x is the banana, that is correct, right? Then it will come out from the loop, then it will print only apple. Okay, apple condition is first apple will come first, x set equal to apple, and the if condition is not satisfied, okay, then it will print x, means print apple. But in the second it will satisfy it, right? X equal to banana, it will satisfy, and break will come into the picture. Then it will print only apple, not neither banana nor cherry. Okay, let's run it. Okay, this is clear now. Now we'll go with continuous statement. For continuous statement. Okay, what the continuous statement will do? With the continuous statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. Okay, what it mean? Go with first create a list. Banana and cherry. Okay, and for x in fruits, if x equal to banana double equal, and then continue, and then print x. Okay, what we'll do here, what the difference between break and continue? Let's see with that example. Okay, see in the, okay, let's go one by one. First it will come as apple, x is set as a apple. Okay, then it will check the condition. If x equal to banana, then condition is false, right? Then it will not come inside, it will print apple. Okay, right? Now it will go with next values banana. Then it will check, okay, x equal to banana, right? The condition is true. Now it will come inside, right? What the break statement will do, break basically break the for loop and it will come out from that, right? But continue will not like that. When the statement is true into the x, if condition, then what the continue will do, it will come again into the for loop instead of break it, right? Then it will go with next one, cherry, and then it will check the condition. If x equal to cherry, not, then it will not go inside and print x. Okay, then what will print? Apple. X is equal to banana, it will not print. Will not print. Then x equal to cherry, it will print. Okay, not print because of continue statement. Okay, let's run it. Right, apple and cherry, but it will not print banana, right? Now it's clear that. Now we'll go with another function, range function. What the range function will do? Basically, range to loop through a set of code a specified number of times. We can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of number that starting from 0 by default and increment by 1 by default, and it's a specified number. Let's go with the fifth one, range. What range that is going to print? Range function. In this one, the high level 0 is default, the starting point. Okay, and 1 is default and increment value. Okay, let's go with example for x in range. Okay, r will be small, 6 colon print x. Okay, what it will print? It will start from 0 by default. Okay, then it will increment by 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, but it will not print 6. Okay, because it's range between 0 to whatever we are going to pass it here, -1. Okay, let's run it. Okay, start from 0, but it will print till 5, not 6. Okay, now it's clear here, because range, if you are going to pass 6, is not the value of 0 to 6 but the value 0 to 5. Okay, the range function default to 0 as a starting value. Okay, however, it is possible to specify the starting value by adding a parameter. What does it mean? I will show with the example. Let's get this one. For x in range, we can pass the value 2 to 6. Okay, here what happens, 0 is the default and 1 is the default increment value. This is starting point default and this is increment value 1 default, and print x. Okay, what will happen here? It start from 2, then first it will print 2, then it will print increment 1 by default, because we are not specifying what's the increment we are going to do. Then in default it will take and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it will not print 6 because it's range between n2 and -1. Okay, right, 2, 3, 4, 5 will print. Right, this is clear now. Now we going to another parameter that we are going to pass in range, increment value. What I said, that is default is 1, right? Now the range function default to increment the sequence by 1. However, it is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter. Okay, what does it mean? Let's delete this. For x in range. Okay, let's go with 1 to 10 in value and increment with 2. Okay, and print x. What it will print? It will start from 1, range will be 1 to 9. Okay, because 10 is there, right? 10 minus 1, 9, and it will increment 2. That means first it will print 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, okay, then 9. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, let's run it. Correct, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, if you are going to increment by 3, then what it will print? 1, then plus 3, 4, then plus 3, 7, then plus 3, 10, but 10 is not in the range, that's why it will print 1, 4, 7 only. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, range is clear now. Now we'll go with the else in for loop. Okay, what the else in for loop will do is keyword in a for loop specify a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Okay, let's go with 6th one, else loop. Let's go with the example for x in range 6, print x is print finally finished. Okay, what it will print? First it will range from 0 to 5. Okay, and then it will come when the loop will end, then it will print is print finally finished. Then what will be the output? It will print first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will print finally finished. Okay, let's run it. Right, 0, sorry, 0 default right here. I missed out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally finished. Right, that is clear now. Let's go with, if I'm not going to spread default, it's like 1 to 10, then increment by 5. What it will print here? It will start with 1. Okay, then increment with 5 means 6, then increment with the next value 11, but the final range is 10 means 9 only, 10 minus 1. Then it will print 1 and 6, and then it will come to end the for loop and finally finished. Okay, let's run it. Okay, 1 6 final phase. Now it's clear. Now we'll go with the nested loop. Okay, 7th one is nested loop. Okay, what the nested loop? A loop inside a loop. Okay, the inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration of the outer loop. Okay, let's go. This is very important. Nested loop. Let's go with jump objective read big tasty. Okay, this is one list, this is another list. Apple, banana and cherry. Okay, now for x in edj enter. This is one for loop. This is for y in fruits. That is another for loop. Now we are going to print x comma y. Okay, before going to I will show you the example how it will be output. Okay, first start with this one, outer for loop, and this will be inner for loop. Okay, let's go with first for loop. For x in adj adjective, right? Then first x value what will be? Print red. Okay, red will come. Now go with the second for loop. Okay, what the y's in fruits? Basically apple, right? Okay, then it will come as a apple. Okay, now it will end first inner loop. Okay, if the end will happen in the inner loop, then it will again back to the outer loop. This is outer loop. This is inner loop. Okay, then when x will start with red, then it will come as a fruits, and fruits was the value apple. Then first it will print y apple, then red, x value of red, then it will go with apple. Okay, then again x will be red only, but the y value will increment as a banana. Increment, this is the next value of the list, banana. Then again x will be red only, and then it will come to cherry. Okay, now the inner loop will be in, right? The cherry, the last one. Then again it will come back again to the this one for x in adjective. Now what the second one? This is big. Okay, and then x is big, then it will come as inner loop. Inner loop again start with first one, means apple. Y, what the value of y? Apple. And then x will be the same, and y, what the value of y? Banana. Okay, and then x again will be the big, and y the value of banana, and then cherry. Okay, this will print. Now again it will go x equal to tasty. Okay, and then it will again the inner loop start with apple only. X equal to tasty, and then apple, then again tasty, and then banana, and then x equal to tasty, and then cherry. Okay, then what will be the output? Red apple, red banana, red cherry, then big apple, big banana, big cherry, tasty apple, tasty banana and tasty cherry. Okay, let's run it. See, right, red apple, red banana, red cherry, then start with big apple, big banana, big cherry, then it will come taste apple, taste banana and taste cherry. Okay, nested loop is clear now. Now we'll go with the final one, pass statement. Okay, what the pass statement will do, for loops cannot be empty, but if you have for some reason have for loop with no content, put in the pass statement to avoid getting an error. What does it mean? Just delete it. Final one, pass statement. Okay, if you are going to use just like a fruits, apple, banana and cherry. Okay, and for X in fruits. Okay, enter. And if you are going to run, anyway you are seeing right, red is there, right? But if you are going to run, what it will give? It will give error, right? Unexpected end of file while parsing, right? This error is coming, right? To avoid this error, what we will do, if you don't have contain anything in the for loops, then you have to use pass. Okay, and then runs once again. It will not give you any output, but it simply bypass it without giving any error, right? This is clear now. Okay, for today that's it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video with new topic. Thank you.